Kiwi?
Yeah, she'll eat kiwi later.
Okay. Not eat kiwi. Kiwi. Give me her kiwi. Where's her kiwi? Her, oh, that's my her kiwi. It's my kiwi.
Oh, she wants you to pet her.
Okay.
Pet her.
I just want to brush her.
Oh, you want to brush her?
So hungry. Get away. Ah! Oh my god. Ah! You want to pet? Oh, you want to press? Oh yeah. Ah! Let's press you. Oh, I need to press you. Okay. This one.
Go ride her.
Okay, so do you
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Stop
Oh.
working.
You have to do that.
Oh yeah. I first her. Oh boy.
Oh.
This is good.
Oh, it's a big hug. Do you like her?
Yeah.
She's your favorite?
It's not gone.
No, she's not going to be gone. She's too big. We can take her in a car.
No, it's too big the car. It's Steve's car. You want to take Steve's car?
In Steve's car? Steve has a big car, huh?
And Horsey's head. Like her. The Horsey's car.
Pat her in her butt. So she's going to ride again.
La, 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 la,
With your
la, la.
feet, honey. With your feet.
I can't reach it. It's my penny. La 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 la. With my hand.
You're falling.
What kiwi?
It's carrot, honey. Carrot.
It's kiwi. What? It's kiwi.
Okay, it's kiwi then. You wanna go pee?
Give her kiwi.
Well, I go give her kiwi, but you have go give her a kiss.
Ow.
What?
My butt.
Go give her a kiss.
I want to see.
Okay, go sit with your horsey. Go see yourself with the horsey. No, Stephanie. Stephanie. Say bye, camera.
No.
Okay, so go play with Titsy.
DC. I want to see. What's
Get out of her legs. Come here. Let's go.